how to install a stopcock.
So in this video we are going to show you how to stop flowing water with a stopcock. So that is exactly what we are doing now. We apply glue there. You see that the water is overflowing. So let's see how beneficial this video will be. And that is it. Our stopcock has been installed. So immediately we use the regulator to stop the water from flowing. When you are installing a stopcock, you have to check for the arrow there in order to give you the direction of the water. That is where it will flow to. Yeah. Now we are going to stop the water in order to work on the other side of the pipe. And exactly that is done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it for other people to also benefit from this nice video.